Okay, so
There's my transition to inside outside. And very effective because it totally excludes his shield and weapon. Right? And gives him and closes the only line that's available for him to strike. Right? It's really, really good. It's as simple as tossing. And if he does cover against the sword, right, then I go back to the other ward. I'll strike the other one. So if you look at the way the footwork, I step in, right, and then step this side, and then step backward to where I was.
very good.
Right? So it's a little like sort of yeah. No, I see what you're saying. Yeah, not too bad. Except this is, I'm not setting myself square to it here. Pass into range, right? And then I step to the side, straight here, and then now I go to this side. Right? Still stable. That change from inside to outside can really change the fight. And it's the one place where we're all having trouble. Okay, what do I do next? Right? Do I throw another blow from this ward and into a sword or into a shield? Right? So you end up, I keep trying to fight from this ward, you end up presenting closed lines. You keep trying to hammer through these closed lines. So what you need to do is open the line. Right? Strike to that opening line. Don't disregard the opening as the opening